सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। My sisters and brothers, it's so wonderful to be here today. We are not simply gathered here, but rather we are together here. Together in the name of peace, in the name of love, and in the name of unity. Before we come together for the next parliament, let me tell you today, whomever I met, wherever I went, I could see that everybody is feeling high here. High, very high, everyone. First time I've seen no complaining, no grumbling. Whomever you ask, how are you? Very high. Good. And high without a hangover. High in a peace, and high with love, and high in unity. Before we come to the next parliament and share our success stories, I want to share today 3 points. Number 1, culture. Number 2, nature. And number 3, future. Our culture, we may speak different languages. We may come from different shades and different thoughts or different schools of and different walks of life. But we are one. Our culture is one, culture of love, culture of peace, and culture of unity. Today, if anything is needed in this world, individually we all are doing great. Everyone is doing beautiful things. But today, if we need one thing, the music of oneness, the music of togetherness, and music of allness. Right now, the Premier was talking about our listening in the back. The change is the only option. And change will not come somewhere from the cloud nines. Change will come from us. We are the change. If we have to wait for the heaven, don't worry. When you die, you meet in the heaven. But I think we can create our heaven right here. That's why we are in the parliament. Let me tell you, we were talking about love, the promise of inclusion, the power of love, the power of love. If we want to feel, not somewhere there in the corners, in the remote corners, let us be lovey-lovey. Let us be juicy-juicy. That is spirituality. And let us be huggy-huggy. If we are not huggy-huggy here, there will be no hug will be waiting for you in the heaven. Let us be huggy here. Choices are given to us. Whether you want to be in peace or in pieces, whether you want to be better or bitter, it's your choice. You are the change. You have the choice and you have the challenge to work on yourself. That's why we are all here. I have never seen any donkey going to a university or in the college to become a donkey. I have never seen any monkey to going to the monkey in the college. Thus, I am a certified donkey or certified monkey. But to us, get all the degrees, then we have to prove that we are all human beings. That's why we all are here. We are together to learn from each other, to share with each other. Now, the nature, to me, is very important. I was listening from our young trustees. They were all talking about global ethics, earth ethics. I think there can be a plan A and plan B, but there's no planet B. We have only one planet. Only one planet. Maybe people discuss here today, the week long, that there can be a land shortage, food shortage, or water shortage. To me, if any shortage is there on this earth, is a global consciousness shortage. Let us live consciously, eat consciously, wear consciously, and behave consciously. We are talking about the hate speech. I think we should need mate speech, not hate speech. We are classmate, schoolmate. Cannot we have an earth mate? Cannot we can worth mate? We can be here together. Let us be, if you want to be together, we can live in love and peace. Last, about the water. I think if anything is bothering me today, in next 20 years, our earth is losing, the whole world is losing this statistics from the United Nations. The half the drinking water will be lost. No water, no parliament. No water, no coffee and conference. And no water, no peace. And more water, more peace. Let us work together to save the water, preserve the water, protect the water. And we are the water. Water is blessing to us. Water is sacred to all, in all the religion. Even you read the namaz, 5 times namaz, you need water. You need, in Christian churches, the ceremonies, you need water. Hindu ceremonies, you need water. No water, no life. Without food, you can survive, but without water and air, you cannot survive. We have to take care of these all. And for that, my dear, future. Who is the future? This culture, nature, this is the future. What we want to give it to our coming generation. A beautiful, a better land, a promising land is that we have done it today. Not tomorrow, it will be too late. Last, we have a Diwali. Diwali we have in India. Everywhere the lamps are being celebrated, everywhere. Can we light the lamp in, not only in our churches, synagogues, in our temples? Can we light the lamp in somebody's heart with love? Can we light the lamp for our earth of love? And let us commit ourselves together. Raise our hands and rise ourselves that we all together, commit together. I want to say, but I don't know I should say it or not. If we can have a next conference, next parliament, let that parliament should be a green parliament. Green parliament. If we all, 10%, if we are very conscious livers, conscious living we believe, then what we eat, it makes a difference. We are using so much water for our one hamburger. If we cut only 10% of meat from our diet, believe me, no one will sleep hungry on this earth. If we all can plan, give us a further plan to the parliament, that next parliament should be vegetarian parliament. Next parliament can be vegan parliament, green parliament. Believe me, this will work. This can work. And if we have to survive together, if we have to thrive together, we need these green options, and change is in your hand. And now, parliament, these people, whether it's Larry, what a man. This is not the age to organize the parliament. He should be playing golf. But he's working here. Look at Rob, our Audrey, all of the entire team of the parliament, all these people working day and night. And I can tell you, without you all, there was no parliament. Let us give a big round of applause. Not only this should be a signature ovation to them. Let us stand together and give them a standing ovation to all these organizers. All these organizers. Thank you, and thank you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.